原本就是一辆小型这个
The Palisades fire is the first and biggest of multiple fires that have been raging around Los Angeles for 2 days.
Is still coming out of the debris. I am completely surrounded